Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great again, and one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Now, we have the WhatsApp group, and in the last video I said I'm going to change the name to Country Goons, and Country Girls say, no, countryman. Goons mean bad boys. So we're going to stick with Country Squad, okay? In the WhatsApp group. And check out the membership section. Now, look at the screen in front of you. I'm going to take you to Jamaica. I remember you have the little dirty police boy them. I did the video on Chucky Brown. Now, this youth, Whitney Hutchinson, are Chucky Brown friend, and they mix up in the slapper squad where them have the police them, and 16 of them get charged. Remember me telling them, say, we have to do another video and a series of video on them boy. Now, me do the one on Chucky Brown, and me do another video update the other day, and the one here the third series of video on it. Now, I want to know where the boy are there. I want to know where the police boy are there. You understand? Because the killer squad, 3 of them get off. Chucky Brown gone to prison. And me go telling us some more about that little tomato ya. Now, I want to follow that equation ya. At the time, this boy ya, he was 28 years old. And look at the screen in front of you, up top. What happened after them Indicom charge them in the slapper squad? Them in the media, it has say about 40 people them might investigate with them slapper and this and that star. But anyways, when the boy get charged, him run go to Canada. You understand? And the police them in Jamaica heard about it and contact the police them in Canada, and the police them catch the boy a come out time car in June 27, 2014. Now, I want to look on the dates them. You notice 2009, and then so when him joined the force, he was a young boy. The boy Whitney Hutchinson. Alright. Him and them do them think. I remember in the video with Chucky Brown, you have an informer where they come out and say, he meet the soup, and then the soup introduce him to some more man. And then him start link them. I remember him did line up the youth them where Chucky Brown get nyam for and get 51 years. So the youth, the police boy, him spar with Chucky Brown in the crew. The drunker crew with them the slapper crew. And after Indy come stitch him up, when him do now, him blow over Canada, and their Ajax are living in a one room there and have a car drive, and somehow the Canadian police them get a whole light and them catch him in a Ajax June 27, 2014 and deport the boy. So y'all be want to follow that equation here, So now we are gonna move on. Now I want you to look at the screen in front of you. Cause me dep on a boy a trail, Me depend them police boy a trail. Cause yo B, me not understand we are going to Jamaica. You understand? And me I speak out for the Jamaican people them dog. You understand? Because when them boy do things, them just put out some things in the media. And people believe it and them thing there. Alright. A man them catch him over Canada in a Ajax. I come out of one car. He live in our one room. 2014. Them fling him come back down a yard. And when them fling him come back down a yard, him go quote in a half-head tree, look on the screen in front of us. We have followed that equation here, you know. Them fling him back down a yard, him go court, and him get bail in a December. And this was 2014. When a boy are there, what's going on with them boy? Now, three of them get away. You understand? Chucky Brown, I don't know what kind, them police boy have some, I don't know what kind of name. Yeah. That one here, him have a woman name, Whitney. I think of Whitney Houston. I think of a woman. But anyways, Chucky Brown go to prison. That one here, him run away, you know. Me don't know how you can run away from a case and then the court are going to give you bail. Never in a history me ever see that yet. Anyway you're there, America, Japan, Jamaica, anyway, where me know, Cayman, Canada, anyway, you're not getting bail if you run from a case locally. No, that boy run from the case and go to another country, you know. And them have to hunt him down and find him, you know. And the boy still get bail. The police boy. After him get bail, we're going to see what happens. Yo, follow the equation. Now, I want to follow the equation, yeah. Because it look like a yasso, the trail get cold. You understand? Now, them get bail and them go back to court September 2016. Look on the screen in front of Uno. Now, the court case was remanded back for October 16th, 2016. Now in 2021. What the hell is going on in Jamaica? Now, like me say, so far, Chucky Brown, one trial, him get dash way, cause him kill 7 belly, and him slap with 7 belly. Here, that's why him get 51 for, and some little more things. 51 years. That one year runway, him not get bail, you know. Him get charged and him runway and go to Canada and live a new life, dog. And them catch him, the fugitive squad, and deport him at Jamaica. And when them deport him, the man end up get bail for $700,000. Then, me never see nothing like that in our history. That's crazy. But anyways, after that, him go court September 16th, look on the screen in front of him. And he was remanded back. He wasn't remanded, he was given a date to come back in October. And that's where this thing run cold. Me want to know what happened to them police boy, dog. Now, there is another trial where I come up a third trial. Come here, Justice Sykes talk about it. Now me have a video about him. He might get corded up. So me have to play that video. Me have to put up that video there too. And me have a video about another police boy who has been wanted for the last since 2004. Him slap with 2 youth. And up to now, him there Canada them say. And them can't find him. Now, me have to put up that for my next video. But back to this. Now, he is given a date to come back in October 2016. And that's where this thing went cold. And if anybody have any information on the case and the boy, please let me know and let me update this. But these are the facts. Where is this dude that slap a police boy, slap a squad? You understand? Where is he? What's going on with him case? And where him there? Yo, there's 1,000,001 question. How does he get bail? Oh, DDP, the public prosecutor, don't go against this. I've never seen anything like this. After him run away, after the case, with him charge, and go to another foreign country. And then him come back and him get bail. And from that, him go court couple times. We don't hear nothing about it. Now there's a third trial coming in for this same slapper squad police them. But the way all the man them drop the thing at Jamaica, the Justice Department or whatever, it's like it's so mumbled up. It's like a jigsaw puzzle. You have to, it's scramble. You have to try to sift through it. So me I try deal with this to make it make sense. You understand? We want to know where that boy are there, what's going on with the case. You understand? Cause him run, the case run cool, and me don't know how him get bail. We hear them a talk about them for stop bail for certain, for the bad man them. No, this is a disgrace and an outcry. See? So we want to know where that boy are there. Anybody have any info upon him? Yo, Countryman there, let me get it, let me update the thing. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. We have a membership section coming out with the Patron, Country Girl, yo, Nuclear Rastaman, Silent, you know me I talk, Rebel Silent. You see what me I say, I'm a virgin that, me nah lie, me and a youth to turn good friend dog. I'm a sparring P. Silent, don't know who me I talk still. Rebel, and that me say. Alright, Countryman, I'm out.